Clearance savings deals at Lowe's. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, today I'm at Lowe's and they have some clearance deals over here, up to 75% off deals on items ranging from outdoor decor like these to regular garden items and other home decor and other home items. So as you can see, they have a lot of clearance stuff over here, and these are fire pits over here that are on clearance. You have this over here, same with this humidifier over here, and this sink over here. On this side over here you have the same thing. Down here you can see this over here. So they have, these are heaters over here on this left side. You have this firewood holder or shelf, and quite a few different things over here at on clearance. So they might not be the same at your location, but check your local areas and see if you can find if they have what see if you can find what they have on clearance or on sale. You might be able to save some money and getting items on clearance. Usually that's a huge saving if you're able to get either regular items that you use on clearance. Even if it's something that you don't intend to use anytime soon, you might use it in 2 months or 3 months or a month and a half. That's still saving you money. So if you can get the items on clearance, you save a lot of money that way. So always when you stop by Lowe's or Home Depot, just check the clearance section. You can see this drill over here, it's on clearance. Same with these other electric tools up here. Down here you have outdoor lighting, some indoor lightings over here. Over here you have a shower head and some other stuff that are on clearance, from $109 to $65 on that one over there. So you can definitely save a lot of money on brand items or brand name items and good quality items. That's probably because the store doesn't carry it anymore, or the store discontinue it, or they're not gonna carry. Look at the power backup right here. This is a backup power system over here that you can get on clearance. Same with garden stuff and other weed killers and other stuff that are on clearance. You have some doorknobs over here and locks and other stuff that are on clearance. Let me know in the comments below if you shop clearance at Lowe's or at Home Depot, if you shop their clearance sections, and what is the best thing you've ever found in the clearance section at Lowe's. So over here you have this extended weed and grass killers. You have pool cleaner over here. You have some screws. You have this is a heater right here, fan, and you have outdoor lighting. It's like I said, there's quite a few things, a lot of different things that you might find at your local stores that you might have on clearance. So all stores will not have the same thing, or even if they have the same thing, they might not still be available. People grab it as soon as they see some good deals like this. So also I'll see if I can put the link either in the comments or put a link below for you can also check their clearance section online. You might be able to get some good deals on their clearance stuff online too. They might not have the same selection, but you might be able to get some good deals on their clearance online. So look at this Craftsman tool over here, $89. That's not bad. You have quite some other things over here, other minor tools and sets and other gadgets that you can get on clearance. So this is really good. So if you intend to get things for your home or for the garden or home decor and other stuff. So check the clearance section first before you go shopping at your Lowe's or Home Depot, because you might be able to find some similar items or same items on clearance, which will save you a lot of money. You have the Cobalt charger over here. It's on clearance, $17.49. So you have some other filters and some other stuff over here. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Take care.